well, you're gonna be beating the shit out of
He loves it. Oh,
What,
you got
he's not
overzealous.
done.
Okay.
Karl.
Come on back. Come on back.
You don't like being recorded.
You better let Daddy rub your head.
Hi, Carl. Hi, Carl.
You want Daddy to rub your head? Karl. Come on. Come on back up here. Come on. You don't think we can see you, do you? You think you're hiding?
No, he likes that warm seat I've been sitting in.
Hey.
He's
Carl.
camera shy.
Karl.
He's like, look.
Come on.
He's like, who's this girl? And when's she leaving my house anyway?
Karl.
Just grab his butt.
What's this? Whoa! Karl. Get your belly. I get it. Get your belly. Get your belly. Right there. Right, get your belly. Right there.
Keep doing it. Keep messing with him. I just wanted to get you now.
Where's Lindsay? Where is she? Where is she?
Be back.
Right, cat. Billy! Your feet are cold. Why are your feet so cold? Huh? I give up. I give up.
Mom. He was comfortable on Daddy's chair. God. What a weird cat.